Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button to get notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Thursday and I'm heading out to work. So this is gonna be a day in the life of a Christian Jamaican YouTuber. So I'm actually gonna wait on my coworker today. Because don't have the little one, so I'm not gonna run late. It's like a little after 7, so yes, I'm gonna walk out to the road now, but just wanted to start this vlog. So yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not as yet, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I got this desk yesterday, which I bought. Yeah, one of my co-workers made it. So yeah, so I fixed my desk and now my desk is empty. I'm home. Okay? Yeah. Good evening.
To God. And we cannot be seeking to turn over our troubles, our tribulations, our trials, our tests, and our life to Jesus, and allow what people say or do to cause us to change our mind. If we are coming to God, we must be sure, and we must have our minds made up, and we must be so resolute that nothing and nobody shall stop me from coming to the Lord.
Hi guys. So today is Saturday. We're going to a fun day. It's a church fun day. So our zone is red. So we're in red. Yeah, keep outfit guys. So I'm wearing this red t-shirt, this gray pants, and we got my red shoes. And Taylor wants to say hi.
Good morning.
In her white pants. I mean, no, it now come back white.
It'll come back white.
Now come back white. People are going to show
Make
that.
your hair white.
So yes, we got sports day. And we are, if we are winning, but
Faith are struggling.
Faith are strong man indeed. So yes, I'll see you guys later.
See, I'm running for my life. I got heaven on my mind.
Then I will make you run left in break.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh. Something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh. Baby,
That really from man.
I've been wanting something.